Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have my Dollar Tree haul for you today, and I would like to share with you what I picked up. This week I needed to do a supply run, so let me show you what I picked up. Let's start off with these. I picked up some of these decals. They're peel and stick decorations. I have this one. It says Explorer, and here's the back side. I wanted to do like a UFO project. And I needed these stickers from here to work the project. I think it's gonna turn out really well. So I picked up 4 each of these because I did not know exactly how much I needed. So I wanted to make sure I had enough. And then I also needed some screen wipes, so I picked up a couple of these. These work really well, in case you guys are ever wondering. I love these. And then I needed some hand wipes for my crafting table, so I picked up a couple of those. And speaking of wipes, I needed some more sanitizing wipes for when I go shopping from the thrift stores and I have something to clean my items with. I also picked up 2 of these pencil sharpeners. My Dollar Tree was really late in getting these, and I am really happy with these. They work really well. So I picked up 2 of those, and then I picked up 2 of these. It's 1.1 cups. Now, my idea is to use these for my embossing powders. I have one big one for my white or my clear powder. I just want like an extra one for my colored embossing powders. And then I needed some nail polish remover just to help clean like glass surfaces. I picked up 2 candles. I picked up the Wild Apple and Ashwood and Sun-Kissed Eucalyptus. I picked it up for the containers. They look like cauldrons, and I thought it would make a good collection to one of my craft projects. I also found this Rust-Oleum Ultimate Wood Stain in Golden Oak. I thought this was a really good find. And while I was there, I also picked up some more 3D fabric paint. I picked up the yellow shiny, green shiny, purple shiny, red shiny, and the blue shiny. I already have the white one and the black one, so I thought I would just, complete the collection. And with Christmas coming up, all these colors will work really well. I also found these. Look at this. These are so cute. I picked up 2 of these. And then these are the metal bottle caps. They're really cute. They are, let's see, about 6 inches across. I'm not sure how I'm going to work these yet, but I picked them up. I also picked up these little desktop toys. I picked up the horseshoe, the darts, and a bowling set. I thought they were a cute little set. I picked up this jug for a craft project. We'll see how well it works out. Let's see. It just says water container, and it is 72 ounces. I thought I would use this for my Halloween display table. Put some gooey looking drink in there. I think it'll work out really well. My store was restocking, so finally have more candles in, so I picked up one more of these taper candles. I needed one more for one of my projects. And look what I found. I found myself the vinyl permanent paper in the buffalo plaid, in the red and black, and in the white and black. I also found it in the iridescent, and these are permanent vinyl paper. I picked up the doodle pad. These are really good. I like these, and I actually use these as a doodle pad. So I picked up 4 of these doodle pads and 4 of these drawing pads. And I like this drawing pad because the paper is quite thick, and you know, it catches liquid for me. You know, those times when I'm spilling stuff all over the place. And I also picked up, let me see, 8 of these Just Chanel in black. I like them because they're so soft. They're fuzzy. It's like a fuzzy yarn. So cute. And like I said, the texture is so soft. I want to create, I don't know what. I actually saw a garland made out of yarn, so I was kind of thinking that I might do the same. Now, I bought myself a large crochet hook. Let me show you real quick. It looks like this. I want to use that to crochet this yarn into a garland. I think it'll work really well. You know, if I don't like it, I can just use my garland as a scarf. I picked up 2 of these embossing tools. I like it because it does have a fine tip and a medium-sized ball. And I use this in my crafting projects, you know, other than just using it as an embossing tool. I like these, like for making outlines on projects. So I needed 1, but I came home with 2. And then this one, I picked up 2 bamboo cutting boards. I want to try a crafting project I saw and see how well that works out. So I got 2 of those. And then I didn't pick up too many Halloween items this time. My store is just doing the repeats now. I guess they're getting ready for Christmas. So they had, I don't know why, they had like 6 boxes of Halloween trees. So I brought home 4 with me. I had already 2 on hand, which I use for craft projects. So I needed 2 completed trees. Well, you need 2 to make 1 nice fluffy tree. So I picked up 4 to create 2 trees for, you know, Halloween. And then I also picked up some more of these erasers to add to my trick-or-treat bin. I love these cute little erasers. You know, my trick-or-treaters will be happy to receive erasers. I also picked up 3 new signs at my store. Let me show you. This one says beware. Really cute. I like it. We have not had these before, so I picked them up. And then I picked up the beware in orange and black. And another one that says beware. And this one is in the white and black. I like the font on the back. You see how it's the script, it has script running on the back side on this one. I really like that. I mean, each says beware, but it has a different design. And then this has the wooden planks on the back side. And then this one just has like a flourish design. I don't know if these crossbars are supposed to be like planks in the back or what, but it actually gives it character. I like it. I am still waiting on a couple of Halloween items. I don't know. My store at this point is just restocking, you know, leftovers from the warehouse, I think. Like I said, there was, I don't know, like 6 boxes of these trees there. So I went ahead and picked them up. And then I am looking for these signs. Look at that. Can you tell? It says to be spooky, trick or treat, happy haunting, happy Halloween. I have yet to see anyone haul these items. I don't know if it's like across the chain. They're late putting these signs out, but I want one of each. And but wish me luck in my hunting. I hope that I gave you some ideas on some of the items you may want to add to your supply boxes also. And like I said, that's all I did this week, is pretty much just restocking my supply boxes and, you know, watching out for new Halloween stuff. And I hope you find what you are looking for. You know, find items on your wish list. And, you know, I hope I find mine too. I enjoyed sharing my Dollar Tree haul with you today. I do like sharing my crafting haul with you guys, and hopefully to inspire you with some of the items that I do pick up. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I will see you next time.